Alright guys, State College WX here, and yes, there is a special marine warning on my 991 because I don't know how in the world it activated. But however in the world it activated, it did. What we are going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing an alarm test here. I'm going to be doing an alarm test. So, what time is it? I don't even know what time the 991 says. Because I can't get the SMW off. So what time is it now on my thing? 8:07, so it's probably... I'm gonna set it at 8:09. Wait, no, I can't. I don't even know what time the 991 says right now. So I have to go into the menu and see what it says. So I need to go into the, I need to go into set clock. 8:08, so we will set this. We'll set this for... Oh, no. Oh, yeah. And then we'll set it for 8:10. And then PM. That's it. And then we need to turn the alarm on. There you go, guys. Now we just pretty much have to see what happens here with the alarm, because it's going to go off any second now. We're doing an alarm test like Savage Gamer 2413 would do. So pretty much, you guys get to be like that, and we'll just wait for the alarm to go off. Alright, everybody. That was the alarm on the RadioShack 12991. So, there you go. That's what the alarm sounds like. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I pretty much did what Savage Gamer 2413... pardon me, I'm gonna say that again. I pretty much did what Savage Gamer 2413 likes to do every time he gets a new radio. So, pretty much that'll be it.